guys, tayo po ay magluluto ngayon ng pang-lunch at ito po yung lulutuin natin, simple chicken curry. So this is our chicken. I already marinated with the chili powder, turmeric, salt, and black pepper. And I also added crushed garlic. So na-marinate po siya ng more than 1 hour. So ngayon po is slightly fry po muna natin. Slightly fry lang muna. So, let's put some little bit of avocado oil. So this is our avocado oil. I will not put so much oil. It's because the chicken have already fats. So fry it. Let's fry. So here. Fry muna natin. Yan muna. Slightly fry muna natin. Ayan, na-slightly fry na po natin itong chicken. So, tatanggalin po natin. Ito na po yung chicken natin. So, ang isusunod po natin is yung patatas. Nandito po yung patatas. Ayan. Fry po natin. Saglit. Medyo slightly fry din natin itong patatas. Same din sa ginawa natin sa chicken. So, ayan. And okay na rin itong potatoes. So, tanggalin po natin. Tanggalin po muna natin. So, ayan. Okay na rin yung potato. So, next is kasi may oil ito, hindi ko na lalagyan ulit ng oil. I will use the oil of the chicken. So yan, maglalagay po tayo ng garlic. Lagay po natin ng garlic. Slow fry muna tayo. Ito yung garlic natin. Tapos, ito na po yung onion natin. Our onion. Meron tayong black pepper. Black pepper. Kunting black pepper ba? Black pepper. slightly fry para lumambot itong onion. Hanggang very soft itong onion. Ayan po. So, lalagyan po ulit natin ito ng turmeric. Mamaya. Hindi ako masyadong naglalagay ng mantika kasi yung chicken is may mantika na yun. So, to avoid cholesterol, so okay na to. Pero yung ginamit ko naman oil is avocado oil naman yun. So, okay lang. Hanggang lumambot siya. If lumambot na rin ito, is ilalagay natin yung tomatoes. Ayan. So, ilalagay na po natin itong potatoes. Tomatoes. Ayan. Na po yung tomatoes natin. After lumambot is ilagay natin sa blender. Ipa-blender po natin ito. Ayan. Tatanggalin na po natin. Ilalagay na po natin sa blender. Ayan, ito na po yung na-blender natin. So, we're going to put it here. Ayan, so mainit na po siya. Lalagyan na po natin siya ng little bit of salt. Ganito kadami yung salt kasi nga yung chicken is na-marinate na rin ng salt. So, ito yung salt. And then, kunting chili powder din kasi yung chicken is na-marinate din. So, it's little bit of chili powder. And we have also turmeric powder. We'll put some turmeric powder. So, here is our turmeric powder. And then, this is our curry powder. Ayan. Ito po yung curry powder natin. So, we'll put big spoon. Ayan. My boss is not Indian. They are Chinese. But they also like to eat curry. So, it's not only Indian or Pakistan who are eating curry. Also Chinese and Filipinos. So, here. Slowly stir it. Ganyan muna natin. So, first is, we're going to put the chicken inside. So, here is our chicken. Chicken. Oh, you see? I already fried this one as what you saw in the first. Here is our chicken. Yummy chicken. is it. So, here is our chicken. Chicken. And then, we will also add this potatoes. Because you know what? Potato can give also taste. Can make the gravy good. So, here is it. We will add it also. Like this. Like this. We still have some sauce here. So, takpan po natin at slow fire ko siya. Boil na, i-ano natin ng 20 minutes. So, yan. Lagay po natin ng 20 minutes. Easy. Yan. Okay. Yan guys, check na po natin ang ating curry. Ayan. Ito na siya, oh. Looks so yummy. You see guys? Wow. The potato also is already soft. Ayan. So, ito po yung pagkain namin ngayon. And I'm going to cook also some vegetables. So, ayan. Tapos, hindi po kami kakain ng kanin ngayon. Bumili ako ng wheat chapati. So, ito po yung chapati namin. Ayan. Pinili ko sa Indian shop. So, yan. Okay lang. May nabibiling ganito. Okay lang din naman nagagawin, pero it takes time. Kung nagra-rush ka, pwede kang bumili ng ganito. Ang lulutuin mo lang talaga is yung curry. Ang sarap i-dip sa sauce ng curry. So, here is the bread. Ayan. Ayan pala yung name niya. So, our food is ready now. Bye-bye. My chicken curry is ready. Wow, chicken curry. Yan. Ito po ang aming food ngayon. Yum.